So I was trying this new template with a GPU. So I was using a g4dn.xlarge type EC2 instance that has an NVIDIA GPU. It comes with 16 GB RAM and a single T4 GPU. But unfortunately, I was not able to use it initially. I was creating this video. Initially, I was on a wrong zone. My template creates subnets in Mumbai region, but this was in North Virginia. I had switched to when I was creating. I got this error. Availability zone is invalid. So that's when I switched it to correct region, and then I retried. But again, I got another error that you have requested more vCPU capacity than your current vCPU limit of 0, because for that particular instance type, I don't have a quota in my EC2. So for using a G4DN XLarge type, I will have to request quota and only then I will be able to use it. So instead, I will have to consider the cost factor of that and then have to do it. So better, I thought maybe create one more template with a larger RAM. Last time I tried with 8 GB RAM, that is same as my desktop, that is also having 8 GB RAM. So I wanted to see whether if we just increase the RAM, since we are not able to use GPU, whether it will have any improvement or not. So I'm trying to go with a T2X large type. So let's see. I will have to rename this file again. It is a no GPU one and a T2X large. Okay, so let me create a stack using this. Let me have already opened a cloud formation. Create stack. So while it is creating, let's see this instance type. So this T2 large is having 4 vCPU, 16 GB memory, and these are the pricing related details. But yeah, this is having just CPU, no GPU. We are just doubling up the RAM compared to the last one. So let this complete. I will resume the video once it is complete. Okay, so it's complete now. Let me go to EC2 home. Again, I am in wrong zone. That's why I'm not able to see. I need to go in Mumbai. It's running T2X large. This looks like our setup has not yet started. If it goes in HTTPS, you need to change it. Yeah, now the setup is started. Wait, or I will pause it and I will resume once it is done. Okay, the UI setup is done. I got a initial response to the curl command to llama. Let me launch this. It is using llama 3.18 billion. And here, let me give the prompt like write an HTML code starting with the HTML tag that uh, allows to upload picture and show it in a HTML canvas. Also do edge detection on it. Share just the HT everything that I can So looks like even this is slower. Yeah, but compared to my home machine or last try of T2 large, it is bit better. Let this response complete. I think it is going to take some time, so I will pause and I will resume once the entire response has come. Looks like now it has gone more slower. Okay, we'll pause again. Yeah, at this point, still it is generating the response, but since one input element has been added, so the other code that is running in the UI is trying to render this HTML as it is being printed, and it printed this file chooser. There's a button that is gets added, detect edge. Yeah, but some of these will not work because the code that I have written is it takes everything starting at HTML tag and ending at closing HTML and tries to put it as an inner HTML of a p tag, and then for script tags it was getting removed uh, even if we do an inner HTML. So what I did instead, wherever I found a script tag that has a starting and ending bracket, not this one because this has a SRC, because of that the ending bracket is here, so it will not take this and try to inject, but rather any script tag that has functions written inside this code itself, that will get injected as a script tag using by creating a new script tag and then injecting the code. So that way I'm doing. So let's see how much of it will work. The response is still generating. We started at 11:53 and it is 56 now, 57, and it is still generating. Looks like this script tag, this will be injected in the current page because this has a starting and ending bracket. So it will wait till there is an ending tag also. Right now it will not be inject. Once the ending script tag comes, it will inject it in the body of this HTML. I can show you that. I'll inspect. Right now it won't be there. So at this point you can see there is just one script tag, that is the script tag of this page. Switch to desktop mode, and once the script tag has been complete, you can see one more script tag will get injected here. 12:1 still printing. At 12:3 we have this much code, still it not working. I think even when the script tag closes we will get error related to OpenCV because it has dependency with this library which will not get imported. So anywhere this OpenCV is used, that will give us error. So looks like the entire response has come, but yeah, there is an issue with the logic because of which it injected so many script tags. I'll tell you the reason behind that. So in the code, I'm looking for a start and end tag of the script. So initially I thought that that's sufficient, that there will be an starting and only after seeing the end tag, it will inject. So it will inject once. But what is happening? See, if you notice, after the script tag ends, we still have a lots of words printed, and that logic is looking at the whole response at once. So after the second this body got appended, it again looked at it. It found some script tag opening and closing. It injected again. Then again, this when this HTML got printed, this chunk when it came, again it ran the same logic. It tried to inject the script, and that way so many scripts got injected. So finally, this is the one. But if I put an image, I don't think it will work. So let me put one of these image and detect is. It will give an error, and this is not related to canvas but image input. So anyways, this